Today, we're talking about a seriously underrated tool. I mean, what if I told you that you have a free supercomputer just sitting right there in your browser, ready to build pretty much anything you can think of?
Okay, so let's just start with this pretty bold claim from our source. It's the fastest way to write code, period. That's a huge statement, right? So how on earth does it actually live up to that?
While the magic of Colab is really about what you don't have to do. I mean, think about it. You get free access to some seriously powerful hardware. We're talking high-end graphics cards from Google, and you don't have to install a single thing. It all just runs in your browser. You can literally go from having an idea to writing code in like seconds.
So what is this thing? This coder's secret weapon that you see top AI researchers using all the time? Well, at its core, it's just a way more intuitive, way more brilliant way to interact with your code.
Okay, the secret sauce behind all of this is something called a Jupyter Notebook. Now, I want you to forget everything you think you know about coding. You know, those long, scary-looking files of text. This is totally different. It's an interactive space where you work with these small, independent little blocks of code that are way, way more manageable.
So let's talk about the magic of cells. Because honestly, this is the fundamental building block of everything in Colab. If you get this one concept, you've pretty much unlocked all of its power.
Right, so in traditional coding, you'd write a whole file, a whole program, and then you'd run it and cross your fingers, hoping it works. Here, you just write a few lines in one cell, you hit run, and you see the output instantly. It's like building with Lego blocks. You can add a piece, see how it looks, add another. It's so much more approachable and, man, way easier to fix when you mess something up.
And it's not just for code. You can also add text cells. This is where you can actually explain what your code is doing. You can use clean, formatted Markdown to add headers, notes, even images. It lets you weave a story around your code, turning your project into this living document that somebody else can actually read and understand. Okay, so we've got these little Lego blocks of code and text. Simple enough, right? Well, this is where it gets really, really cool. Let's look at what you can actually build with this stuff, because we're going from simple charts all the way to AI.
Check this out. With just a few lines of code in a single cell, you can generate fully interactive charts and data visualizations. You can go from a completely blank page to, say, an interactive scatterplot in, I don't know, seconds? You just write the code, hit run, and boom. The chart appears right there beneath the cell. No extra windows, no clunky setup, it's just there.
And it's way more than just visuals. You can generate an interactive UI slider with just a couple lines of code to, tweak your variables on the fly. You can even create and play a sine wave audio file directly in the notebook. It's a complete, hands-on playground.
But okay, here's the real game changer. You can import a whole project